Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we are going over Grandma's Pantry Peach Cobbler Cake, everybody. Yes. This is in our Just Desserts Child cookbook that is coming out soon. But look at that. Isn't that beautiful? We have a way that how we made this beautiful cake here with nice pantry canned peaches and juices and nice dough that we have made by scratch to make this beautiful cobbler. Now, if you guys get the Just Desserts Child cookbook, you'll see a lot of sweets that we have that's incorporated with this book that will be shared with our kitchen to yours. And make sure that you go ahead and order it on Amazon.com under Mama Soul Kitchen Just Desserts Child cookbook. I hope you guys enjoy it. You guys have a beautiful day, and thank you so much for watching Mama Soul Kitchen. Bye-bye.